guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is I want to make another picture for my craft room. I am on craft room renovation, decoration, okay? So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. A lot of you will remember when Hobby Lobby had that big clearance that I got this sign for, I think it was like $4.99, okay? And I told you I love the pineapple. I think it's pretty, but I had something else in mind, okay? So I have that, and then I went ahead, and a lot of you will remember from when I made the girly pictures for my craft room that you have, that you saw these, okay? So I just printed out this on my Avery sticker paper, the bird with the little key. I think he's so pretty. And then this, the clock with the flowers, okay? And then I might use this, I don't know, this key that I got at Hobby Lobby, and it was, I think it was $2.99. It was $2.99, okay? So I may use that to embellish the bird with, and then I'm just going to be using some paint. I'm probably going to use the Waverly chalk paint in plaster and the Waverly chalk paint in cashew, and I might just put a small amount of the Waverly chalk paint in that hazelnut. And then you'll need a well-loved brush. I think I'm going to use one. A foam brush, and maybe some daubers of different sizes. I picked these up in a very large pack from Walmart. Okay. And that is all you need to make this really cute DIY. It would be beautiful for any room. It's kind of a French country DIY. I just think it's also kind of shabby chic. But first, let me remind you that the giveaway is still open for this Jord wooden watch. Mine is in the sandalwood. It's actually made from wood, and it's handmade. It's kind of hard to see because I picked a darker one and my face is smoked. In the description box I'll have the link for the giveaway. Now it ends, I think it's like June the 27th. I'll have it exactly when it does end, but they're giving away $100 off a Jord watch, and it's really nice. It's very smooth, and you can get it in male or female. You can pick your own type of wood that you want, and the kind of face that you want, and the colors. So definitely check this out. I'd hate for you to miss it. Okay, so let me get everything situated and we'll get started. Okay, I'm just pouring out some of these different colors. I like this color, but I'm trying to get rid of the pineapple. So that is what's up with all of that. Okay, so let's just see what we might do. And I don't want to make this really wet. I just want to get rid of Mr. Pineapple. So I'm just going to just stamp that basically. And this is just the plaster that I'm using right now. And that may be all that I need to use. We'll see. And you're going to have to kind of, I think I'm going to have to use more than that. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. I'm just pouncing it on here wherever the pineapple is, because I don't want it. But you could change this to any color that you wanted. I just wanted it to be kind of like a shabby chic, really cute French country look. And you could go over it with like some gesso or something like that to get rid of it. But I'm just going to be doing this. So you don't have to watch me do all of this. I'm just going to keep stippling on here until I get all my pineapple hidden. But that's what we're getting so far. You can still see it, but I think we'll be able to cover it. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, now I've just started sort of swirling in the cashew and that white and kind of making my own sort of color and just going right over that same area. And it's definitely helping. You just can't pounce too many times over that same area until it gets fairly dry or it tries to come back off. So that is what I'm doing. I think this is going to work nicely. And I'll just bring this out a little bit more this way. But you can see it's starting to hide it. You can still sort of see it, but I'm going to have to go all over it. Okay, I'll be back when I get this covered. Okay, here it is. I just took a hairdryer to it, and you can still sort of see the pineapple, but I think by the time we get through, it's not going to be that noticeable, okay? So now I think I'm just going to take a little bit of this hazelnut, put it on my brush, and definitely get a lot of it off. Probably should have got another. Okay, and now we're just going to come kind of just down through here, giving it lines, like it's maybe old. You know I love old, and it's going to help hide that pineapple. Just scrub it, basically. You can see I'm not being particular at all. Okay. And that looks good to me. And we are almost done. This is such a sweet little easy DIY. Okay, that's what we have. And if you don't want yours that noticeable, that's fine. And when I bought this, it had this little ding in it, and that to me just adds to the aged look. It doesn't bother me at all, okay? Let me move all this over here. Okay, and what we are going to do next is just, I'm gonna make sure this is dry, and it is. Just figure out where you could make one and big one and just put it in the center if you wanted to do that. I wanted to combine mine. So I'm going to be doing something like this. I think that's going to be really, really pretty, okay? So the trick is getting this on without messing it up, because once it goes on, it is going to be down. I need to try to get these little ones off as well. So when I put them down, I can adhere them. And then just pull. Okay, so I think I want him here. Hopefully I can pull that up. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, and that's what we have so far. And then we're just going to add this. But you could put any picture that you wanted on here. It would not have to be anything like this, just whatever you like. But I really thought this would be so pretty in my craft room, okay? All right, and I will show you how this turned out. Well, here it is. I think it turned out so pretty. I love that bird, and I just Googled the images. Well, no, I got these off of Pinterest. I saved them onto my iPad, and then I just transferred them to my computer and then blew them up. But I love how this looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it in my craft room and I'll show you how it looks. But don't forget to enter the giveaway for $100 off a Jord watch. I love mine. It goes with, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, as you see with my Mario shirt, and it just looks wonderful. So I'll be right back and show you how this looks in my craft room. Okay guys, here it is in my craft room, and I almost forgot to glue that key on there, and I think I'm going to look for a little clock. I think I've seen them at Tim Holtz, some of his items, and I want to put a clock right there to give it more dimension. But I really love how that turned out. I just used my Gorilla Glue sticks and just hot glued that key right on there, and it just adhered quite nicely. So this is how it turned out. I'm very pleased with this. You could use it in any room of your house, and I've been thinking I may end up, I'm not sure, taking a little bit of this cream and white and just daubing it on this white paper. You could do that, or you could get the clear transfer Avery sticker sheets and print it out on that, and I think that would be really pretty. So I may work on this a little further, but I wanted to give you an idea of what you can do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.